Hey, welcome back to Cuphead's Art, and let's draw another character that you see on Cuphead's map, and this time it's gonna be Ludwig. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and his face is a box, so we're gonna start out with one side of the box, and this is gonna be at a slant, so just draw a slant like this, and then for this side we're just gonna come straight down. And then now we're just gonna follow along with the same angle as that one. And then now we're just gonna connect this. So this is just gonna be one face, and then now we can draw the details. So his eyes, so somewhere in the middle, just draw a little bit of a half circle like this. And then now the other one. So weird looking face, obviously. And then it's got the eyelids, so we're just gonna draw two lines across. And now to finish off the eyeball, so we're just gonna draw one angle like this and then curve it. Angle, curve. And then let me fill it in so we can see. Okay, that looks better, right? Okay, so now his mouth, so just right below, just draw a little line like that, real simple. And a little bit of creasing on the edges just to give it a very funny looking expression. Okay, so now we're gonna go up. So we're gonna draw a line from this one, just go that direction. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw the little speaker thing, the microphone on the top. So right underneath here, just draw one line, same angle as the other one. Curve up, same curve coming back down. And then on this side, same curve, just draw that. It's a little bit odd, but so in the middle here, just draw a little curve, and now we're gonna draw the actual microphone coming off. So go straight up. Okay, so just close it off with a curve, and now we're gonna draw one big egg shape here. It's a little bit tricky, it's in perspective. Okay, and then on the inside, it's just gonna be the same curvature, but just smaller. Okay, so then from there, now we can finish off this little top piece here. So this line here, just go straight across, same angle as that, and just connect it to that. Okay, so now we're gonna finish up the head. So on this one, we're gonna draw the same line here, just all the way across. And now for this side here, same line as that one. So just go straight across. Okay, so now we have two faces, right? So now we gotta draw the third side, and we gotta draw this little handle first. So in the middle here, just draw like a little curve. And now we're gonna close it off and just draw a little bit of a shape there. And then for the handle, just some kind of round shape around it. Okay. So now to finish off the side, so from this edge right here, we're just gonna go straight back. Same as this angle here, we're gonna come straight down. Straight up. And now we're gonna go straight down, just connect that. So now we have a box in 3-dimensional. Okay, so we're gonna go down to his body, but we're gonna draw his arms right here on this side first. So on this side, draw two lines and close it off. Now we're gonna draw the glove, so bracket and close. And then we're gonna go one, that's gonna be his thumb. And then we're gonna draw one finger here, two, and then the third one you can't see as much. You just kind of go up. Okay, and then on this side, that's his arm, and then here's the beginning of his glove. And we're gonna go straight out. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and one line here. Then now for his thumb. Okay, looks like is he panhandling? He's asking for money or something, right? Okay, and one little line for his glove. So now we gotta draw his body and his clothing. So we just gotta draw curve like that, and then in the middle looks like it's got one big button. and then his shirt kind of goes out. So just draw that kind of shape. And then on the outside, we're just gonna follow the same kind of curvature and close it. And then this side as well, down, go out, and then just kind of curve this all the way around. So that's his coat. And then now for the shirt inside, so we're just gonna close it off and that's gonna finish off the body. Now we're gonna draw his legs. So let's draw this one first. So on this side, we're gonna come straight down. This is gonna be simple. So close it and then bracket and then close that off just like the glove. And then now for the shoes, we're just gonna go straight out. Okay, so it's kind of in perspective here. And then for the other legs, right here, straight 2 lines. Close it off. Shoe, same thing, bracket, close it. And now we're gonna go out, the heel, and then just kind of make a little bit of bowl shape and close it off. And that's it for this Ludwig character from Cuphead. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.